Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can change a video background in Canva, and that is only possible because now Canva has an AI feature for changing or for removing a video background. Let me show you how you can do it. First, you have to find a video that you want to remove the background, and you can upload a video or you can also use a video from this Canva stock library. I'm going to find a video for someone waving hand, and I'm going to navigate to the video section, and we have plenty of options here. Let's try this video. It's actually recommended to have a video with simple background in general, or you want to make sure the subject is not moving too much or there's not much ornament in the video. This video, for example, is considered to be simple, and therefore removing the background is going to be easy. At least from the AI standpoint, it's going to be easier and the result is going to be much cleaner. So let's click on the video, click edit, and you can click the background remover option under the magic section. Click on that and AI will be doing its job to remove the background, and a lot of times the process is going to be very quick, and you can play the video to see the result. Okay, it's not perfect. If you actually look at the hand, there is some background artifacts still appearing, but that's okay. I think most of the time people don't even see that very close. And yeah, I think the result is pretty good. So that's basically removing the background. Now I'm going to populate the background. Let's click elements again, and I want to search for a, let's say, video background of park video, and let's try a background that is appropriate. Let's try this one, and I'm going to put it here. And of course, we are not done yet. We have to put this background at the very back. So let's click position, click layers, and you want to drag this area behind that person, behind the original video. So this is the result that we got. And of course, we have to make sure that we are playing two videos at the same time. You want to click on the thumbnail view, duration, and you can play the whole video. And yeah, this is the result. So two videos are playing, and you can see that you can see the background, the person is still there, and I think it looks pretty cool. But one final thing that you can do is probably you want to adjust the color. You want to, make sure that the subject stays visible. Although right now we cannot really make a background or make a video to be blurry, but at least I highly recommend to turn down the color a little bit. You can click the adjust section, and you want to reduce the saturation maybe just a little bit, so the focus will be on the main subject. And yeah, I guess that's the only thing you can do, because there is no blurry option for a video, which is very unfortunate. But yeah, this is something that you can do in Canva. And yeah, if you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.